Srihi Srimade Ramanujaya Namaha. Namaskar to all the devotees. Coming Friday, that is 2nd of May 2/5/2025, Friday is very important day for all the devotees, because that day is the 1008th appearance day of very prominent Vainava Acharya Sri Ramanujar. Yes, this day should be celebrated in a grand manner by all the devotees. Devotees wake up early in the morning, worship Sri Ramanuja Acharya in their homes, and visit the nearest Vainava temples with flowers, tulasi, fruits, and other essential puja things. We can celebrate both in homes and temples. This is very important, because after getting the blessings of mother and father, we should first worship the Acharya. After getting the divine blessings from the Acharya, then only we can get the blessings from Bhagavan. So worshipping Acharya is very important. So come, let us celebrate the appearance day of Sri Ramanuja Acharya in a grand manner and get the blessings of the Acharya. Thank you so much. Jai Sri Ram.